Stop by and take a look at the 2017 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, compass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.